Today, we're visiting Keith's house.
It smells like something, but it feels good.
Josh, Tessa, and I went inside to see what the smell was.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Is that somebody's underwear? It was a dryer.
I think it is. Are you ready, Maggie?
We're gonna play this game where Keith is going to put something under our nose and we have to guess what it is by sniffing it.
It smells like ketchup.
Well, that's because it is ketchup. Have a sniff.
It smells soapy.
What do you think it is?
Soap?
I smell rotten eggs. You didn't even have to put it under my nose. I can smell it. I really can. It's strong. Then we smelled some roses.
It smells really sweet. It smells like some kind of candy. Yes, so candious.
Keith took us for a walk around the city.
What is that smell?
Chinese food.
Chinese food?
Can we go and get some Chinese food, please?
Try going on a smelling adventure. Just follow your nose.
Major funding for this program has been provided by the National Science Foundation.
Whoa! Watch something new with Telly and Star on Knowledge Network.